The number one excuse people have for not doing cardio is that it is boring. Well, we are here to tell you that cardio workouts do not have to be boring. In fact, they can be quite fun. Here are some fun cardio workouts to spice up your fitness routine. Number 1. Bike riding. Bike riding can be a great workout. Think about it, your legs are moving in the same motion that they would be if you were running, yet you are on a bike. Your legs get the same workout they would get if you went for a run, but you are having more fun riding a bike. The next time it is a nice day out, get out your bike and start pedaling. Number 2. Skiing. Many people don't realize it, but skiing is actually a terrific workout. If you are bored with your usual cardio workouts and live in an area where you can ski, try it out. Take your family with you so everybody can get a great workout. Number 3. Running on the beach. This only works for someone who lives near the beach. The next time you go out for your run, head down to the water and run right along the water. If you want, you can even take your shoes off and let the water run up over your feet. To make this even more fun, try running right at sunrise. This is a fun cardio workout that you will definitely enjoy. Number 4. Kickboxing. The combination of kicks, punches, ducks, turns, spins, and jumps you do during kickboxing gives your body an awesome workout. With kickboxing, you don't even feel like you are working out until you are drenched head to toe in sweat. Kickboxing also has an added benefit of relieving stress. You can reduce stress and enjoy working out with kickboxing. We highly recommend it. Number 5. Zumba. We are not a huge fan of Zumba, but with that being said, it is a great workout. Zumba is a high-energy cardio workout that combines all types of Latin dancing into one awesome workout. Do this workout one time and you will understand why dancers are in such great shape. Number 6. Swimming. Swimming can be an awesome cardio workout for anyone who is looking for some fun new workouts. One great thing about swimming that we like is that you don't feel that tired after a swimming workout, even though you pushed yourself very hard. Swimming is definitely a great way to work your whole body. Take a look at Michael Phelps, he is in awesome shape because of all the swimming he does. That completes our list of fun cardio workouts. So the next time you are bored with your standard cardio, try one of these out. Thank you for watching the video, hope you found it helpful. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to the channel.